Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if this is your first time. So today I just wanted to give you a quick update on my Phalaenopsis that I repotted in. I was trying semi-hydroponics for the first time, and a semi-hydroponic setup with orchids, right, for the first time. And I repotted my Phalaenopsis in it, and I'm just giving you a quick update. So as you can see, I'm going to link that video so you can watch it and see what the orchid is coming from. I'm going to give you a little snippets of it as well in this one so you can see where it's coming from. But this is what it looks like now. It was not a success, guys. After maybe a week in it, I saw that the leaves were yellowing off and the roots were dying, and so I took it out when I think there was I pulled off the yellow leaves, and this was the only one that was left. Actually, this was attached up until just a while ago. When I took it up to make this video, it fell off. But yeah, it had like the leaves were yellowing. So what I did was I put it in one of my propagation water. Like I thought I would, be able to save it. The roots were just hovering over the water just to give it some humidity and hydration. And I went to check on it yesterday, and I saw that all the roots were dead and it had crown rots. So I took it outside to see, if I could salvage it, because usually I've had success where my orchids had no roots, and I put it outside. I mounted it. This one right here is an example. The one I'm talking about, this file right here, I mounted it, and look at the root system now. It recovered. But that's not always going to be the case. It depends on how strong your orchid is and how far gone it is. In this case, it already had crown rot, and once your orchid has crown rot, that's it. Well, for your orchids that has a crown, right? So unless it's gonna push out a keiki, which, like I said, it's too far gone. So that's it, guys. That's what's left of my orchid. Look at the roots. But you learn. I don't think I'm going to be trying. I don't think I'm going to be doing orchids in semi-hydro. I actually have a dendrobium in sort of a semi-hydro setup. It's not it is. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so here's the dendrobium I was telling you that's in a semi-hydro setup. I guess I could call it that. But you see, this is what it's in. I have this little thing that I got I bought this at a pet store. I bought some aquatic plants in it, and it came in a semi-hydro setup because aquatic plants go in water. So this is what I have it in. And if you guys watched my Amazon orchid haul, if not, you can go and check it out. I got this one free. I bought some vandas and I got this one for free. And when I got it, this little thing right here was like a little nubbins, like just right there. And now you can see that it's growing. So I think it's loving this setup. So I think this is the only one I'm going to keep in this setup. It was a baby and it got established in this setup, so I think it's fine. Like you can see, new roots right there. Some of the older roots have died out, but that's fine once new roots come out. So yeah, this loves this setup, so I'm gonna keep it that way. And I keep this one inside, so this one stays right there, right by a west facing window, and I do have some lights up there. That was an experiment as well, and it's doing great. But that was a baby dendrobium, and it's doing well, like I said. But I don't think I'm going to be doing any more orchids in semi-hydro. I'm going to just keep, when you find something that works for you, you stick to it. So I'm going to stick to what's working for me, and that's my bark and sphagnum mix. So like you could see, bark and sphagnum, like this one, the sphagnum is on the top, but that's what's working for me, so I'm gonna stick to that. And you know, also mounting them, I find mounting them works really well because that's how they grow in nature, like you can see. So that's what I'm gonna stick to. Forget about the semi-hydro. I will, however, do semi-hydro with other plants. I am thinking about trying semi-hydro for my my alocasia, because I see, you know, people growing them and they grow really well, and those are very finicky. So I'm gonna try semi-hydro with those, because those are hard to kill because they have corms. You could always just harvest those and regrow it from scratch. So I will try with those and see, and I'll definitely be doing that on here as well. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. That's what my story, that's how the story ends for my Phalaenopsis. So thank you for tuning in. You know, check out the other videos so you see where it's coming from, and you know, subscribe for more houseplant and orchid content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.